Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about is it safe to upload designs on Redbubble? Because I've been getting a few of the comments on my videos and people were asking me, is it really safe to upload our work onto the Redbubble right now? Because due to the Redbubble suspension that happened maybe almost a week back, and like in 2 or 3 days they've been mass suspending of the accounts, and then after that, after maybe 3 or 4 days, they replied on the Twitter and tweeted that it was due to some system failure, it was due to their errors in their system that happened that, and they are working on that, they are resolving that their account back, and few didn't get it, but few of the people who got it are asking me that is it the right time to upload onto the Redbubble? That means, is it safe to upload it? Because of this question, and I'm going to talk more about depth in Redbubble. And if you're interested in that, then keep on watching this video till the end, guys. And also, before going on to the good part, click on the like button. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming related content. And also guys, I have a free guide, 60 plus niches free guide for your own print on demand for your Redbubble shop right now. If you want to check that free guide, the link of this free guide description box below, you can download it completely for free, and these contain 60 plus free niches ideas on which you can start making your own print on demand designs right now and can start selling. And also I have a free print on demand graphics, a complete bundle that is 40 plus 49 free graphics for you to use in your own making your own print on demand designs. The link of that free bundle is in the description box below. You can download that free graphic bundle right now and can start using these graphics for making your own print on demand designs right now. So the link of both these things are in the description box below. You can check suspension. If you want to check those videos out about the Redbubble account suspension and the updates and all that, you can check them in the card section above, guys. I'm gonna link over the card section, you can check it out. But I'm gonna specifically talk about the uploading onto the Redbubble, because it seems that is it really safe to upload it? But guys, I can't say you 100% sure that is it really safe, because some of the people get their account back and they are still uploading onto the Redbubble. Like they get their account back and they try to upload it onto the Redbubble and it's working well for them. Their account is still active and they are able to upload it, and they see that it's safe for them to upload onto the Redbubble. But few of the people didn't get their account back and is still not 100% sure that whether it's safe for you to upload your Redbubble designs right now onto the Redbubble or not, because Redbubble didn't tweet it back or didn't send another email stating that this system error or the thing that happened on the platform is completely resolved, is completely solved. So they didn't talk about that thing, and so still is in question that whether this thing has been completely resolved or not, because they didn't updated us, and it's still in a question. For some of us, it has been that it's working well for them. They've been uploading on their platform and it's safe for them to upload it. Their account is active and it's working well for them, and some of them it's not. So it's still in question, guys. So I can't say you 100% sure that it's safe. You can upload it right now. Go and upload onto the Redbubble. Your account will be there and it won't be suspended again and all that. I can't say you 100% sure, guys, because I don't see that it's 100% sure, or I can guarantee that it's really safe right now. You can upload it. I can't say that, guys. I can say something related to it, guys, like we are still waiting from an update from through Redbubble to tell that their issue have been resolved completely, or something like around the corner, like telling that this thing has been resolved and now you can go onto the Redbubble and can work on that. Because the last tweet they said that they're working on it, they are working on this issue and they're gonna resolve it soon, but didn't resolve it completely. And obviously it was a big issue, like many account has been suspended, thousands of accounts has been suspended, so it was quite a big issue. So it might take few more days or maybe few weeks. I'm not really 100% sure. So guys, I can't say you 100% because I've been getting a few of the comments and I was like, what is the answer to those questions? Because I can't say 100%. Then I've been researching a lot on the internet, looking at that whether there is more information about the Redbubble right now, or is there any more recent update or not, and all that. But I didn't find any more recent update. Like few of the people who was account was suspended, they've been emailing onto the Redbubble to get their account back, and few of them got it and few of them didn't got it. And also many of them have uploaded their own design onto the platform to see whether it's safe or not. For them it was safe, but again guys, we can't say it 100% sure. So I would say that maybe wait for a few more days to see some recent update from to the Redbubble telling that this issue has been completely resolved and now you can work onto your shop and upload your designs and all that. So I would say that maybe wait for a few days to see that whether this thing being resolved completely. And I don't want to risk your account, so I can't say that go and upload right now, is it safe and all that, because I don't want to risk your account. It's your choice guys. If you want to go and upload it onto the Redbubble right now and you see it's working safe for you, then obviously go for it. It depends on you, but from my perspective I can't say you 100% sure about it. So I would say that maybe wait for a few more days to see that some more updates coming from the Redbubble. Then we would, again guys, it depends on you. If you want to upload it right now and you see that uploading right now makes sense to you and your account is safe and all that, then obviously go for it. Like, I am not the person who is telling you what to do with your shop or what not to do with your shop. I'm just telling my perspective because I was getting a few of the comments and I see that when I'm getting a few of the comments, then it's better for me to make a video about that topic and to explain more about in depth my views on that particular question, or to answer that question in the form of the video would be a good option for you guys, so that I can also explain to you guys what I really think about that thing, and also it will be more clear for you guys. So wait for a few days if you want to wait to see that whether we get some more updates from the Redbubble telling that this thing has been resolved and all that. And if you don't want to wait and you see that it's safe to upload it, then maybe you can go and try your hands onto the Redbubble again and start uploading your design and see that it's safe or not. So I'm not 100% sure about this thing right now, so I can't recommend you to go and upload onto the Redbubble right now because I am not sure from my perspective. You might be sure from your perspective. Well, let me know in the comment section below, like if you are 100% sure you have uploaded your own design onto the Redbubble and it's safe for you, like you can see that you are uploading and your account is still active and the things are going normal for your shop, then let me know in the comment section below guys, because it will help other people as well, and I'm gonna update it. If you have any updates related to the Redbubble, let me know in the comment section below, because it will help other people and I'm gonna also be updated related to the Redbubble and all that. Apart from that, I want to say guys, this is the time we can take a lesson from the Redbubble, and we can see that if we are focusing solely on one platform, then it's not safe for us, because this time it was a temporary and people got their account back, it was a week and all that, but we don't know, maybe in future if something happens similar to it and it will happen for a 1 month or something like that, or maybe permanently your account is banned from to that Redbubble, then what you were going to do and all that. I don't wish that guys, but we can't rely on these third-party platforms so much. We can't say that these are 100% safe, 100% secure and all that. We can't be safe about it. So I'm going to tell you, don't keep your eggs in one basket. Start looking out for other print-on-demand platform as well, because if you are thinking that you don't want to go and start with another online business out there, you just want to do print-on-demand, then I would say check out other print-on-demand websites out there and try to make up your shop on those platforms as well. To be on a safer side and to be on a more secure side, I would really recommend that, because I see that when you are uploading onto the multiple platform, then you are not just solely focusing on one platform, and you see that the other platform will also start growing for you and start making money for you. So guys, start checking for Teepublic, merged by Amazon, Jazzle, Spreadshirt, Site6, Displayed, and there are many different print-on-demand platforms right now there on the online space. You can check out these platforms, start making your own shop and start see whether it's working for you or not, because relying completely on the Redbubble after getting this huge thing and all that is not a good option, I see from my perspective guys. And I want you to be on the safer side. I want you to be more on a secure, so that you are getting your online income each month coming into your bank account and you don't risk your online income and all that. So that's why I'm saying from that perspective to be more on safer side, to be more on secure side, because when we have our things in the multiple different things, if something happened to one, we don't feel so bad about it because we have things working on the other as well. We have other platform as well. So it's, well, for now you need to take into a lesson and learn it from it and see that you need to upload your designs on other print on demand platform as well. If you just want to focus solely onto your print on demand platform and you want to do it as a full-time, then I would really recommend starting with your own print on demand website, or maybe sell it on the Etsy, integrate with the Printful, or starting with the Shopify, integrate with the Printful, Printify, or Gooden, whatever it is, and then taking marketing and promotion in your hands to make full-time income from your own print on demand business online. Because these third-party websites we can't control 100%, and something happens and something permanent happened to it and you get your account permanently banned, then it would be very bad and it wouldn't be a good thing to get that taste into your mouth. So that's why I really want to tell you, this is the time for you to take a lesson from it and start uploading and start looking for other print on demand platform to be on safer side. Even if you don't want to check other online space income or other online income ideas, then it's better to focus on other print on demand platform and wait for maybe a few days to see that if you got any new update related to the Redbubble account suspension, then I would really make another video for that. But for sure, right now, I'm not 100% sure is it safe to upload onto the Redbubble. So I would say maybe wait for a few days to get any recent update. Or if you see that you are uploading onto the Redbubble and it's working well for you, then let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any recent update from the Redbubble or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below, guys. Because it helps other people as well, and I'm going to update myself as well. So that's what I want to say, that I'm not 100% sure. And if you want to check for your own thing, then it's your choice. You can go and upload it. It's your choice, guys. That's all for today's video. I hope that it makes some sense regarding my views and my answer to this question. Let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.